Well, I've just found this adult male doobie roach in one of my tarantulas water bowls. It had drowned. It weren't there this morning, so it's drowned it last few hours. So, waste not, want not. There we go. So this hasn't died of old age or any disease or anything like that. It's simply drowned in a Nescafe Alta coffee jar lid. What I used for me, Porky's water bowls. They're only bloody hell, what are they? 2.5, 3 inch across. Adult male. It's drowned. It's bloody unreal. But anyway, like I say, waste not, want not. I'm not flushing a perfectly good meal down the drain, and I'm certainly not wasting him. Not when I've got this garbage disposal system. She'll enjoy that. Nice big meal for her. And there she is.